Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with another tutorial. This one is using the new Celestial Garden palette from Bellabeautybar x MJONES5018. I've never tried Bellabeautybar, but I wanted to support my lovely Insta friend M Jones. She is also a friend of my friend Jessica, who is also on Instagram. That's how I met M Jones, was through Jessica. So, and I've been following Monica for a long time, so of course I want to support her if I can. And this is my first Bellabeautybar palette, and it's beautiful. I like the packaging. I like the moon phases on it. It's a sleeve, so the palette has the same thing on it. And this is what she looks like inside. It's a lot of multi-chromes and duochromes, mattes and liners. So these are all mattes here. These are all multi-chrome duochromes. This is also a duochrome. It looks white, but it has a pink shift. And then these are all the liners. And as you can see, I've been playing with it, and I did do a look, which you will see in just a moment. Used quite a few of these shades and the liner. I mixed these two in the middle to get the color I wanted, but no problems with it at all. Had no issues with the mattes. The multi-chrome duochromes are absolutely stunning. The liners are fine. They didn't crack or anything like that. You just have to make sure that you get the right consistency, because if you get it too watery, it's going to run. If you get it too thick, then it's going to crack. So you just have to kind of play with that. But I had no problems with them at all. They were beautiful. And this palette is absolutely stunning. And Bellabeautybar is coming out with some more palettes here soon that I might have to open my wallet to. But as a first impression, didn't have any problems, enjoyed it. We'll be doing more looks with it, so stay tuned for that. If you pick this up, let me know your thoughts. But yeah, I just wanted to support Monica. Congratulations on another collab. She does a lot of indie makeup. I will link her Instagram below. She uses a lot of indie brands, which is great. She uses a lot of duochromes, multi-chromes, glitters, things like that. So if you're into those very colorful, sparkly looks, then you would like Monica's Instagram. So again, I'll link her below, but I will stop talking and let you see the tutorial. Please leave me a comment if you have any regarding it, and if you want to see more looks using this palette. So thanks again for watching, and I will be quiet and let you see the tutorial.